positive attitudes to, for the Perak?
Well, we are not looking just at one or two states. We are looking at the national scenario, national political scenario altogether. As I mentioned earlier, this is a very early stage. We need to streamline and we need to have a very clear roadmap agreed by both parties. And then the next step forward is not just to stop at UMNO PAS cooperation. We have to look beyond UMNO PAS cooperation, especially other non-Muslim, non-Malay political parties. In this country, there's no one single race can run the country. We need to cooperate with everybody. So UMNO and PAS is just the starting point. We accept the principle of coexistence. We accept the principles of tolerance. We accept the principle outlined in the federal constitution. That's very important. The spirit, because that's part of what UMNO has been championing all this while. So I know people are making all sort of speculation, but it's okay because this is politics. Everybody is free to make their own or to speculate anything. But as far as we are concerned, this is something very serious. We want to offer a viable alternative government to Pakatan Harapan, since Pakatan Harapan is not delivering, they are not performing, and the rakyat are not happy with them. We are worried about the economy of the country. We are worried about the international confidence. We are also worried about the very fabric of Malaysian society that seems being torn apart, especially in terms of racial harmony and things like that. So we are duty bound to offer some kind of alternative for better Malaysia. We'll be a joint committee. On the others, Ustaz Idris and Khalid Nordin will be a joint chairman. Myself and Taqiyuddin will be joint secretary. Okay. Before end of the month, in fact, within UMNO, we have started working, scribble something and trying to crack our head. How do we go about? Need to be very serious. Some serious work need to be done. Some surveys, some research need to be done. We have to base on facts. We have to look at figures. We have to look at the last election results. We have to look at the potentials. If we cooperate, how do we go about? So this is something very serious. Drawing of a roadmap and strategic plan is not something that you can just take it lightly. So as I mentioned earlier, we are still at a very, very early stage.